First Sergeant V here, back with another GCSS-Army helpful tip and video. And today we are continuing our CMDP series with CBRN operations in the CBRN room. So this quick video here is going to break down how we're going to do our series, the outline for it. So let me go ahead and share my screen. All right. So basically the CBRN series. So we're going to cover a multitude of things in this series, and we're also going to cover the GRADE inspection and the CBRN OIP inspections that your battalions and brigades do. So basically for the CMDP CBRN, we're going to do the intro video, how to set up your CBRN room, talk about in processing, out processing. Of course, going over the CMDP checklist, breaking it up because that's a huge chunk of material. Checks 1 through 5, then 6 through 10. Then we're going to talk about how to add CBRN services to your DTMS, how to create service packets for your CBRN equipment. I know it's not required, but it's something that I do. Keep everything uniform and dress right dress. Talk about adding TMDs to your DTMS calendar. Talk about training to DTMS calendar. Talk about ARMs and binder labels. How to order CBRN equipment, shelf life items. Completing a CDE report, right? How to create your MAL, your mass chart. And then we're going to go into the GRADE inspection series, which basically it's a force comm inspection. It's pretty big of a deal. But if you prepare for the CMDP, you have no problem passing the GRADE inspection or the OIP inspection. So the OIP inspection can be broken into 7 parts. Of course, the intro video, and we're going to talk about administration, safety, appearance, SOP, training, accountability, maintenance. All right, so that is the outline for the CBRN series. I'm also thinking about doing another sub-series of this, or some LTTs and PowerPoints and stuff to give you guys to train on your CBRN equipment. So I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to the channel, make sure that like and subscribe button. We're going to continue our series. We'll have some more videos drop in the next couple days. As always, go work